This is
Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo and Redbus.
Bol baby bol.
On Go MMT Radio.
Hashtag Go.
The show is called Bowl Baby Bowl. A lot of things that Udita is going to tell me about because she lives in one of the pilgrimage capitals of our country, and that is Tirupati. That is where she's stationed for MMT and looks into the hotel supply department. Udita, it is so nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
Yes, likewise, Annie, likewise.
It's just been a month since you've joined MMT. How has the experience been so far?
Well, it has been a roller coaster. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of learning. Like, some sessions were hectic but very informational. And I get meet a lot of people. And I'm done with the immersion sessions as well. So I've met the L team, and they're such a visionary. And we get to know how the company has made how it is right now through them. And it's such an insightful, such an eye-opening session. So yeah, I am enjoying and I'm learning.
Oh, that's so good. Udita, before this, were you working any place else, or is this your first job?
It is my first job, Annie.
Oh my, congratulations. And you've started out with India's largest travel company. How does that feel?
Yes, I was like, I couldn't believe that I made into MMT because I got through the national drive. It was such a competitive atmosphere. Still, the reality has not sunk in yet, to be precise. Yeah, such a pleasure to work with MMT.
Oh, that's really good news. And I think it's kind of kept you on a high right from the beginning. So that's a nice thing.
सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है. एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
ये है आखिरी मौका. Your last chance to get your health checkup done before 31st March 2026. क्योंकि ये है आखिरी मौका.
क्वार्टर प्लानिंग तो हो जाएगी, बट वीकेंड प्लानिंग कब करोगे दोस्त?
You serious?
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Bol baby bol.
On Go MMT Radio.
Hashtag Go.
Udita from Coimbatore. Well, she's based at Tirupati, but from Coimbatore. And so she's kind of exploring a new place altogether in the hotel supply department. And like she did mention earlier, it has been a roller coaster ride. Udita on the show Bowl Baby Bowl with me, Annie. This is Go MMT Radio. Udita, it's time for the GK quiz. But before that, I'd like to quickly ask you, so far Tirupati has been good for you?
Yes, it has been excellent. There is such a humble place, but I'm lacking the religious vibe there from temple to temple and standing in line and seeing the gorgeous Tirumala Tirupati Venkateshwara. So yeah, I am on the high on this.
Oh, that's good. Okay, it's time for the GK quiz. The first game. Are you ready for this?
Yes, yep, hit it.
Which animal is known as the ship of the desert?
Camel?
That is correct. What is the solid form of water?
Ice.
Which Indian river is called the Dakshin Ganga?
Dakshin Ganga. Is it? Yeah, that's the Godavari River.
Yeah. Oh my. Well done. Do you remember the name of the first man who landed on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
That is correct. Now, what is the only mammal that cannot jump?
Only mammal cannot jump. Yeah, obviously they are the elephant.
Yeah, well done. Which gas, now this can be tricky, but take a wild guess. Which gas is filled in airplane tires?
In okay. In airplane tires, it is a nitrogen kind of a thing in the gas form. What do they call? Yeah, dry nitrogen. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, not bad at all. What is a word, phrase, number, or any other sequence of characters that reads the same backward as forward? You know, there is a word for it. Like the word Malayalam is read backwards and forwards.
So you want the technical term for that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called the palindrome.
That is correct. One last question. What is acrophobia a fear of?
Oh, acro stands for heights, right? So I think it's a fear of heights.
Well done, Udita. You have rocked it completely. Congratulations.
Thank you.
हेलो दोस्त, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार। मैं हूं द ग्रेट खाली। आप सुन रहे हैं गो एमएमटी रेडियो।
बोल दीदी बोल
on Go MMT Radio.
On the show today, Bowl Baby Bowl with Udita K. What does K stand for, Udita?
It's my father's first name. It is Krishna.
Udita Krishna from the Hotel Supply Department. So, Udita, Tirupati. Now, like you said, it's a very humble place. A lot of people come visiting. This time of the year, is it still very busy?
Tirupati is always actually busy. Always. There are lines when you visit in the night, in the evening, during the darshans. Yep, it is. And we actually take pride in that.
So, when people come there, what is the kind of food that they enjoy around Tirupati?
So it is mostly vegetarian food, right? And Andhra, okay, those people are crazy about dal and pickle, the combination of that, and the Tirumala temple's prasad, the laddu, that is what they go for.
Among other things that you have tried and tasted over there, you say dal and pickle is a great combination. Of course, the Tirumala prasad goes without saying. Anything else that was unique or is unique about Tirupati when people go there that they should try apart from, the temple?
So that is this one fall known as the Talakona waterfall.
Yeah.
So it is one of those the tourist attractions over there. It is a peaceful kind of like a getaway kind of a place. So I would suggest visiting that apart from all those temples. And
nice.
as well as there's this zoological park as well, Sri Venkateshwara Zoological Park, and the prices are very cheap, obviously, and it is a feast to your eyes. It is relaxing. You can go with your friends, have a good time there.
Oh, good.
Hello, fellow trippers. This is Satish Mani, and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
I want you to grab all the opportunities in the coming months.
Sure, boss. I have already applied for leaves to avail all the long weekends of this year.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
बोल दीदी बोल
On Go MMT Radio.
Headset Go.
This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie, and with me for Bowl Baby Bowl is Udita Krishna from Tirupati. So these parks that you're talking about, Udita, do they have like birds that are unique to the region? Do they have animals that are unique to the region? And what is that kind of experience that you take in at this park?
You have like major variety of exhibits, the niche kind of animals, birds that you can see over there. So we have India peafowl. It is all a bit of a little bit of variations you can see, and they are very, very beautiful. And it is not like you get a ticket for one visit, and it is very rare to see any animals, especially the lions or wild boar over there. But if you just get a ticket and go there, always like animals going around, and they're well taken care of. And so you can see the sample deer over there, leopards, crocodile, black bear. So
Oh, that's like a good half at least of the day spent well at this park, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Nice. Now in Tirupati, since it's all about temples, is there some kind of textile that also comes from this part of the country, of this part of the state, where people love going shopping and looking for these kind of textiles? Does that also happen?
I would say it's not much over there. You have obviously shopping complexes to do, but not much, really not much over there.
Okay. So it's the food one must go after, and of course the temples and the temple prasad, right?
Yeah.
Hello, Go Trippers. I'm Rajesh Mago, and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
टाइम है एक ब्रेक का. अच्छा, ब्रेक से याद आया, दोस्त अभी तक टीपॉट वाला नहीं आया.
Oh, hell no!
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
बोल दीदी बोल
On Go MMT Radio.
Headset Go.
Bowl Baby Bowl with Udita Krishna from the Hotel Supply Department. Udita, it's time for the last game of the show. It's called Wrong Answers Only. You think you're ready for this?
Sure.
Okay, now these answers have to be really creative and fun, and anything else apart from the right answer is going to be the wrong.
It can be as wrong and as crazy as it can get, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
The rapid fire round.
How do you play a guitar?
Nose, through my nose.
All right. Where does the sun rise from?
From my back.
From your back. All right. Have you ever read your partner's emails?
No, but I've counted the number of eyelashes on his or her right eye.
Oh my. Okay then. How do you go snowboarding?
By eating biryani.
Well done. What do we use to brush our teeth?
By wearing rings on finger.
Oh, good. What kind of a sound does a dog make?
Meow.
What is the earth shaped like?
Rectangle.
How do you fly a plane?
By waving bye from the ground.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Udita.
Well done. And the last question. What do you use a laptop for?
Sleeping.
Well done, Udita. I am so happy you did so well in both the GK quiz as well as Wrong Answers Only. I hope you had a good time too.
Yes, very much, Annie, very much.
Udita, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah. Thank you for including me with MMT Radio.
It's lovely to have you on the show. It was lovely to chatter with you. And it's also something that I want to tell you and convey to you that there is a lot of good wishes coming your way for the new dreams, for the new goals that you have. For the first ever time that you're actually in a corporate job is going to be a different scenario. But there's so much to learn. I'm sure you're excited about it. So all the very best.
Thank you, Annie. Thank you for having me and I had a lot of fun.
The show's called Bowl Baby Bowl, and yes, with it is a wrap. I will be now coming back on Friday with Filmy Friday. Today on the show was Udita Krishna from the Hotel Supply Department based out of Tirupati. My name is Annie. I will catch you very soon. Till then, take care and keep traveling.
सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है. एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है.
जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
ये है आखिरी मौका. Your last chance to get your health checkup done before 31st March 2026. क्योंकि ये है आखिरी मौका. To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.